What's good, y'all? Hey, we're gonna be playing Golgotha. I don't even know what this is about. I don't know. It looked kind of crazy though, but appreciate all the love. Let's hop into it. Crazy. Hey, nah. Oh no, why my footsteps so loud? What is this? Okay. That's how you play. Yes, sir. Oh, we got a light in this mug. Okay. Hold on, what's over here? Oh, we can run? We gotta crouch. Oh, we gotta tilt. Okay, hold on. Let me try all these buttons. Alright, we good, we good. I think we got everything. Can I get something to drink? No? Alright, bet. So we in like a subway, a train station, whatever you call it. I ain't talking about the food spot. Here. What's up in here, though? Nothing. Oh. Who about to read that? Not me. Put that mug back. Hey, yo. Hey, who in there? Nah, y'all straight. Dang, my fault. Y'all straight, though. Where are we at? Hello? Hello? Hey, no, that's demons. We out that mode. They talking about some crazy stuff. What is this? Can I open? No. Bathroom? No, okay. Bro, who drinking this low? Who gotta get all the way down here to get some water? That's too much. I need a security key card? Okay. What's down here? Oh, this open up though. Ooh, what is this? Are these homeless people? People hiding out from the toxic waste? So pretty much what I got from the opening, it was like talking about it was people hiding in like the subway, and it was this toxic gas that came down and it was killing like dozens of people that was like down here and stuff. It's a real ghost game right here.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Nah, you good? I'm just passing by. Back up a little bit, back up. Let's run a little bit. We out. Hold on, why you get louder? Why you get louder? Why you get louder? Hey, you don't like? Okay, I'ma walk. Alright. Yep, take off. Take off. Run. Bro, what's some running at me, bro? I'm quitting the game, I swear. Bro, move. Okay. Hey, yo. Can you calm down? Hold on. Check them corners. Peekaboo. Nah, I'm playing. Alright, we good. Man, this is light, bro. Stop playing. It's just noises. You scared of noises? Like, come on, be real. Why you get so quiet? Hold on. Hey, I don't like this. Alright, maybe I did like the quietness better. Think I'm about to get in there and get trapped. Oh yeah, exit. Grabbing my glass. Yeah, we out. That's the game. Bro. We need a key. Hello? Hey, I'm just visiting. I ain't even trying to stay here that long, you know what I'm saying? Came to do my little detective work and get up on. I thought someone was running at me. Oh! Oh! Bro, chill. Hey, yo. Why he start running at me, though? Bro, why you crouching? Get up. Bro. What's this? Oh, we found the security key guard. What is that? That's the devil himself. Hey, yo. Hey, I just want to let y'all know. If I get ghosts, y'all get ghosts. It is what it is. Don't say nothing to me. I'm calling the pastor after this. Yeah, we out. We going. We go to that security room. Call it a day. Go home. You know what I'm saying? Go eat some pizza. Yup. That's what I'm about to do. I think we're good. Yep. I look-y forgot where it's at. Hello? Hey, nah, this music getting crazy. Hold on. Head to the room. Hey, I'm leaving right now. Don't even worry about me. Bro, what is that? Oh, bro, right. Bro, shut the door. Take off. Where was it? Oh, right here. Security room, yes sir. Open up. We in here. Shut that. Oh, I thought someone was gonna be behind me. What is these? Oh yeah, this ghost. Hey, who is that? Nah, that's 4K. That's 4K quality right there. When was this? It's black and white, so it had to be old. Change channel? Who is this? Where is this even located at? Hold on, this sounds like the intro to the regular show. Alright, let me chill. Oh, I can turn it off? And he's still there. What's your problem, bro? What's good? Pull up. Don't pull up, I'm playing. Is anything in here? Where's the key at? There's literally no key in here? Okay. Who bone cracking like that? Here? Anybody out there? Oh, I thought huh? What? How did the door open? There's no door. Okay. It's just noises, Trayvon. Lock in, bro. You tripping. Bro, I heard something open up there. This door was not open. Ooh! Bro, okay, hold on. Hey, hold on. Okay. We good. You do not belong here? I think you right, you know what I'm saying? I think I should just, like I was saying, I think I should just go ahead and get up out of here. Call it a day. Forgive me, Gloria. Is that Glina? I don't know. Some people are not. Nah, G. Some people are not cut out for the life they are given. I'll make sure to come back. Please don't hate me. I'll give over love to whoever that is when I see her. What is they talking about? I don't even know what they talking about in that. Can I open this? Is this a cutscene? They got a cutscene.
Yo, holy shit, he's dead!
Hey. Hey, what happened to you, boy? You good? I'm going ahead and just take this key up off you. You don't need it. You don't need it. Alright, bet. We're going back to that room then. Who gonna stop me? Who gonna stop me? Bro, what? Bro, my heart just sunk to my... I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. Why is it so loud? Can y'all hear me? Hello? What's your name? Is we cool? Are we friends? Were you the one who said you don't belong here? She ain't gonna do nothing. I thought that phone was gonna ring, man. We good though. Yeah, we out. Go there, put this key in, unlock the door. Get up out of here. That simple. It's really that simple. It sounded a little complicated. Alright, man. Ooh. Hey. Golly. Bro, did she just kick me down the stairs? See, now I gotta run my fade. That is the same girl. Hey. I ain't scared of you. But I'm gonna keep. Final warning. What if I go back up? Now we out. Hey, it's time to see the mission through, bro. We gotta see it through. This game is so loud. Kick me down the stairs then. Alright, that's what I thought. Bro, what happened to the train? Woo! Bro, I know y'all just seen that person jump. Hey, yeah, they done. That's the end of their career. Don't listen to them. Come find us. We're waiting. Yeah, that sounds very welcoming. I'm gonna just come right in. Yep. Another cutscene? Okay. Yeah. Ooh. What's the word?
Please. Don't go down there.
Why?
You
Get on. Check it back. Check it back. Check it back. Man, ain't nobody worried about what you talking about. I'm about to do me. I'm running through the game. Speed run. Woo! Okay, so it's an explanation for that. I was hearing the dinging, right? And then in my other ear, it sounded like someone was creeping up on me, like in my ear, bruh.
We do not care.
Hello? 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 Hey, yo, they bugging. Hold on, I can't see behind me. I can't see behind me. Oh. Nah, why would they do that, bro? We out. They know dang well they ain't how to do that. Bro, all this, we in a sewer? Hey, yo. Hey, you good, bro? I just came down here to, dang, what did I come down here to do? Hey, you straight? What is this? Came to check up on you, man. Oh. Dang, that's a big rat. That's a New York rat right there. Where are we located? Where are we? Why would I come down here by myself? Like, who volunteers to do this? We all good, we good. Hey. Hey, you good, bro. Just a flex wound. Hey, rub ball. Dang, bro, there's more? Hey, you good, bro? Oh, snap. Okay, I ain't even see that. I think your leg on there. You good. Dang. Hey, hold on. This kind of peaceful. Why it stop? Where the baby come from? I'ma save you. I'ma save you. Bro, this was on the pictures. This is where they was staying at. Bro, we like hearing them. Can I go up here? We was like hearing them, bro. They trying to tell us something, bro. Oh, I see light up ahead. Yes, sir. I'm thinking that's the way out. I should have went back upstairs, but she said final warning. I played myself. Bro. My heart, my neck hurt, bro. My neck hurt. My headphones are even. Oh, hold on. We gotta regroup. Bro, my armpit's hot. These mother's sweating. Bro, can I get a cutscene or something, bro? Please. Hold on. What's that over there? Ooh, hold on. We did get a cutscene. W. Oh! See, now I'm just acting scary for no reason. Bro, run. You're literally walking. Run, bro. You better pick up them feet. We're gonna make it. Come on. Bro, climb up the ladder. Why are you looking back? Oh, we dead. They're gonna grab us. Come back. What the heck? These are families? Hey, nah, don't listen to them. Keep going. Yep. We out. Don't look back, bro. Oh, we about to get snatched up. Where we at? We gotta be in the wood. Hey. Good game. And shout out, what's the name? I forgot. I ain't see the name. But solid game, bro. And this mug free. It's a W game. Alright, y'all. I'm out, bro. I can't take no more. My heart. That mug hurt.